Good morning, Koshe. Good morning, Koshe. Good morning.
Hey, how you doing? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yep, yep,
All right. You can see my screen, right?
yep. I can see it. Yep.
Great. Do you set up the test environments?
The test environment. Yeah, I mean, I can. Haven't done any of
Okay.
that. Yeah.
You are the host. You can share your screen.
Okay. Mm, Share my screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Not yet shared.
Yep.
Yeah, I
Okay.
can see that.
Okay. See, when you say like the past and all this stuff yesterday, what you're doing
Oh,
is not right here. So when you said like let's pretend to create project from scratch, right?
okay.
J unit, like remember the J unit? I don't see J unit stuff right here.
Okay. What do you have to do? Go to Java Fundamentals.
But
Okay.
uh-huh.
Create from scratch.
Okay. Create a Java project.
No, go to File,
Okay.
create Java project.
Okay.
Okay. Name it anything,
Um
but always should be meaningful. What you are going to do. Project name will be always in capital. New
okay.
automation. Okay. uh, Go to new test automation. You see you have settings src bean.
Yeah.
Okay. Now click on src,
Okay.
create a package is nothing but an empty folder. Name it test ng, or sorry, JUnit test.
Okay.
um Actually, you see, package name should be always in small, so J will be small, test T will be capital. And Java do not recommend to put dash. That
Oh,
can write together, yes, like this, or you can use snake case. Snake case is underscore. Okay.
mm-hmm.
All right. Finish. Then inside JUnit test new, create a class.
Yeah.
Class, okay. Class can be anything. You can write anything, but it should be related. What do you want to test? Say, for example, do you have Facebook?
No, no.
No. Okay. Uh,
How about that? Remember that URL you went to? What's the name of that URL? Like where
okay.
is
Okay. We can do it.
yeah, let's do the same project you have done.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Just name it login test. Test T will be capital.
Okay.
Okay. And finish. In testing, we don't have main method
Okay. Good.
because we are using a framework. Framework has its own features and functions that will help us to execute the test. Okay. Now make it a little bigger. Control plus. Press Ctrl plus several times. Yes, good enough. Then just go inside the class.
Which one? The class, okay.
Yeah, inside the class.
Mm-hmm.
Press on tab button.
Okay.
Yes. Then press on enter. Okay. Now you can set up your tests. You can say public void, then name of the method
Right.
you are setting up, test method. So you can say set up, just set up,
Like that.
parenthesis, and parenthesis will be along with setup, very close to setup.
Oh, okay. Sorry. No
Yeah,
space.
in method, always parenthesis will be the very close to method name. Okay,
Okay.
then curly braces. Okay, so you are going to write Selenium code inside public void setup, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now actually you don't have anything in your project right now. You don't have Selenium, you don't have JUnit. Okay,
Yep.
so what you can do, you can download first Selenium. You can do it two ways. Either you can use Java project like this way, then you have to download each and every software one by one, or you can create Maven build automation tool, and Maven build automation tool will download and install all the necessary software all together. You have to just bring the dependency of the software.
Mm-hmm.
So using Maven project is easier, but if you want to avoid Maven, in real world we work with Maven. If you don't use Maven, you have to download and install all the necessary software by your own, one by one. So do you want to do that, or you want to use Maven?
But JUnit, it comes automatically, right, with Java?
Yes, it comes with Java, but still you need Selenium.
Mm.
Still you need WebDriver Manager, right? So
Even for JUnit? Oh, yeah, your JUnit, you need WebDriver. Okay, got it.
yeah,
Yeah.
you need WebDriver.
Even, but that's because I'm doing web application. How about if I'm not doing web applications?
Then uh, you can just use JUnit.
Right? The calculator, it's not
Yeah,
web.
yeah,
Yep.
you can do it. Now you can just say public void calculator.
Right.
Okay, type public.
No, no, let's do a web application, you know.
Okay, then you have to install Selenium,
Right.
then WebDriver Manager. If you can do web application, you can do anything. Okay.
Right.
Now, do you want to use Maven?
Yeah, let's do Maven and automated. Let's Maven
Okay,
use it.
because in real world you are not working like this. You are not downloading and installing one by one.
Exactly.
Okay, go to file, go to new, then click on project. You are not taking Java project, you are using project.
Mm-hmm.
Type Maven. Yes, then click on Maven project. Next, then check in, create a simple project. Check in, create, yes. Next, Now group ID is your company name. You can company name or the application you are going to test. You can say com dot com dot
What's the name of that website you go to? Orange.
orange HRM. Orange HRM. Orange
Okay.
HRM. Okay, good. Then artifact ID will be your project name. That will be showing on Navigator or Project Explorer. So it can be project name, can be no JUnit test framework, say for example. Since it is project name, it should be JUnit should be capital. JUnit test framework. Okay. Then click on finish. Click on finish. Now JUnit test framework is already there.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the JUnit framework. It's on top.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Go inside of it.
It shouldn't be under test automation.
No, 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 no. Just open it first.
Mm-hmm.
Open it. Click on drop down.
Yeah.
Now you see JUnit framework. It's showing SRC. Click on SRC.
Mm-hmm.
You have main and test everything,
Oh, I see. Yeah.
but it's not coming the whole. Okay, something wrong, I think. I guess you don't have Maven on your computer. So go to CMD. Maven usually comes with, if it is new computer, it should come with your computer. CMD. Type MVN version.
NVM.
MVN dash
Like,
version dash version MVN dash version. There is no Maven on your computer. Is it new computer?
no, no, that's the one we used to work with. I mean, that's the one we installed Java yesterday on all this stuff.
Okay, so you have to install also Maven. Go to maven.com. Mm. Just type MVN. MVN.
Maven. Okay. This one right here, Apache Maven.
Yes, yes.
Download.
Go to Maven download on top
Okay.
right. Download. Okay. Choose. Is it Windows?
Yep.
Download. Maybe I don't see the jar file. Java development kit, memory disk. Okay. Maven is distributed several formats. Installation instructions. Uh, okay. Click on. We have to unzip it. We download and unzip it.
Mm-hmm.
Go to
Binary zip file right here.
uh yeah, anyone. Take anyone. Okay, click on it.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have to unzip it. extract.
right here.
Yeah, and click on bin. Okay, take the path.
Mm-hmm.
Then where it is in your program file or download,
No.
right?
And the downloads. Should I move it to program files?
Yes, please. But it will work. You can keep it here, but sometimes we just delete.
Right, right.
Go to program files.
Copy this guy.
Yeah.
8086.
Okay, it's 64, right?
Yep, 64. Yep.
Then
Java
go to 88. No, just copy and paste separate.
and in program files
Yeah.
right here.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, double click. Okay, go to bin, click. Okay, then take the path.
Mm-hmm.
Go to environment variables, type env, press enter. Go to environment variable, uh, go to system variable and click on new, click on new.
Uh-huh.
Type Maven, all capital, Maven capital, all capital.
All capital.
Yeah, Maven underscore home, then
Like that.
the variable value inside,
Mm-hmm.
paste it, take out the bin. Okay, click on OK, then go to path. No, no, down.
Uh-huh.
Yes, double click. Okay, take new, click new,
Mm-hmm.
paste it, then OK.
Give the bin.
Yeah, keep bin. Path needs bin. Okay, now reopen. Okay, click on OK.
Mm-hmm.
Reopen CMD. Reopen. Close it first, then reopen.
Yeah.
Now type MVN version.
Like that.
Yes. Wow, Maven is there now.
Man. First time like stuff works like that, you know.
Okay. All right. Now you are good to go with Maven. Go to the Eclipse.
Mm-hmm.
Now just delete the Maven project. Which one is Maven project?
This one.
Yes.
Delete the whole thing.
Delete it because it will not work. Okay. Now open new project. Go to file.
I don't see it deleted, you know. Can you you want me to
Okay.
refresh?
Okay. You can delete it.
Has been refreshed.
Delete.
Did.
Okay. Continue.
Okay, now.
All right, now go to File,
Mm-hmm.
Project,
Oh.
Project, type Maven, then choose Maven Project,
Mm-hmm.
to next, check in, create,
Mm-hmm.
com dot orange hrm, hrm,
Mm-hmm.
and JUnit framework. Project name should be capital framework,
Mm-hmm.
and click on finish button. Already exist in destination floor. Okay, then just choose different name. JUnit framework new. Okay,
Or two,
okay, two.
right?
Yeah. All right. Ah, still it's not coming. Oh, pom.xml file. Go to src. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Now we have pom.xml file.
Mm-hmm.
Double click on it. So inside the project,
Yep. Remember we added dependencies?
yeah, so you have to add dependencies, plural. Then inside the dependencies we add couple of dependency. So
Right.
mvn, type mvn, go to Google,
Yep.
type
Maven repository.
mv, yeah,
So so I need test ng.
you need test ng. Before it you need also Java.
Which one? This one.
Take anyone.
7.4.
All are stable. Okay, right, you need also Selenium with Java. Just type Selenium. Yes, take
4.2.
40 or anything. You can take 4 and up. Okay, and you need also WebDriver Manager, the first one. Yes.
5.3.
Okay, actually we don't need to worry about it, because if you work in a project, your test manager, test lead, or test architect, he or she will provide all these dependencies for you to use. Okay, so now just save it. Control S, press on Control S,
Should I do like do the
indent it.
like the
Yeah, you can indent it.
like that?
Yes, you are good to go. Control S again.
Doing downloading right here.
Yes, it's downloading and installing at the same time. That is why it takes very minimum. Okay, now inside the test,
Mm-hmm.
you see inside source you have test Java and Java resources, right?
Right.
Yeah, you can also create your own folder. You can say JUnit framework,
Mm-hmm.
create a package and say JUnit framework. or inside the Java you can do it, no problem.
Oh, okay.
No problem. Yeah, inside Java you can create framework or JUnit framework. No, no, no. In Java, dash is not in.
Now loud.
Okay.
Finish.
Yes. And inside JUnit framework, you can create now class. Class can be test login or login test, whatever. Test T will be capital. Then finish. Okay. Inside the class, put a tab button. Press a tab button.
Mm-hmm.
Press on enter. And now type public void setup. Okay, and now you can set up, you can say web driver is a class, so it will be capital.
What's it? Sorry.
W and D will be capital. Web driver also capital D. Driver, then put reference variable driver, no
Oh, okay.
space, then type driver
Mm-hmm.
equal to
Mm-hmm.
new Chrome driver. Chrome driver, C and D will be capital because it is driver D.
Yeah.
Plus, this Chrome driver is new object.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Parenthesis, at the end parenthesis, then semicolon. Okay. Now remember, WebDriver is class. We
Correct.
didn't create it. It
We
comes
created it.
with Selenium. Okay.
Right. A
So,
driver
and
object.
from this WebDriver class, we are creating new Chrome driver object.
Mm-hmm.
And the path of the object is stored within driver. Okay, driver. So now we can hover over on Chrome driver, hover over your mouse on Chrome driver.
Uh-huh. Wait a minute. So WebDriver right here, right?
Yes, it is a class.
Right. Class.
From WebDriver we are creating new Chrome driver object.
Oh, that's what we're creating right here, right?
Yes.
So what
Do
is
you
this one?
remember in Java how we create object?
Yeah, how do you create objects again in the classes? I don't remember seeing it. Yeah.
Yeah, the same way we are creating
Right.
Chrome driver object from WebDriver. Even
From WebDriver.
can,
Okay.
Chrome driver can be also class. So instead of WebDriver, you can also write Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver.
Uh,
You understand me?
no, yeah. Say that again. The last one.
The Chrome driver is superclass, parent,
Okay.
and Chrome driver is subclass or child class. Okay, so you can also create from Chrome driver class, you can create also new Chrome driver object.
Right.
You can choose either one, or web
Uh,
driver, or you can also type uh, Chrome driver.
right. So this is what I understand. It's like Chrome driver.
Yes,
You know,
Chrome driver.
yeah, new driver.
No, Chrome driver
Okay.
driver equal to new Chrome driver.
Right. So that's how I understand. This is the way.
Yes.
You know, that's the typical way. This is now I have, I have a Chrome driver and a driver class made of Chrome driver.
Now Chrome driver should be capital. C should be capital.
Right, right. Okay, sorry.
Yes.
So that's the typical way. So a driver is a new Chrome driver class,
Yeah, it's an
But here we have WebDriver and Chrome driver. We have two things. What's going on? Like, is it a class of Chrome driver? Or is it a class of WebDriver?
WebDriver is class.
Okay, WebDriver is a
From
class.
WebDriver class, we are creating new Chrome driver object.
Okay, okay.
Now, remember, WebDriver is superclass.
Oh, okay, got
Chrome
it.
driver is subclass or child class.
Oh, okay. So this is
Okay?
how you can put like a chain classes together.
Yeah, that yes, that is why you can use Chrome driver instead of WebDriver. Okay.
Mm.
But in your project, you might be using WebDriver. So use WebDriver. If your project is using Chrome driver, use Chrome driver. Both are class. Okay.
What's the difference between WebDriver and a Chrome driver? I thought these are the same. The Chrome driver is to make sure you're working with
WebDriver,
Chrome.
inside the WebDriver, you have Chrome driver class.
Oh, okay, okay. Because you have Mozilla or you have
Yes. So
Internet
WebDriver has
Explorer.
Chrome driver, WebDriver
Okay.
has Mozilla, WebDriver has Safari,
Mm,
has Edge. So a lot of classes inside WebDriver class.
mm.
Driver is parent class.
But here I'm interested only in the Chrome browser.
Yes.
Driver is an instance of only Chrome browser, not the rest of them. I don't care about the rest. Okay.
Okay. Then
Oh yeah, this is why you said the Chrome driver is equal new driver. You can do that one. If
yes, you can do
but
this one also. You
but
can
this one's
just
super class. Okay,
yeah,
since
you
it's
can
super
just
class, we
comment
just
Chrome
okay.
driver equal to
Mm,
Chrome driver. Just put slash slash double slash.
okay, no problem.
Comment one, yes.
Yeah.
Now hover over on Chrome driver. Hover over your mouse on Chrome driver.
Oh, okay, sorry. Chrome driver. Okay,
Okay. Then import Chrome driver.
okay.
Okay. Chrome driver has been imported. Then
Mm,
over on WebDriver. All right. Now, driver is the now driver. It becomes the object because new Chrome driver is stored on driver, right?
mm,
So now
mm.
you can use the reference variable driver.
Right.
Type driver, then put dot, and you can find now all the methods and properties you need to uh,
But I haven't defined any methods right now in driver. Right.
know.
Yeah.
Uh, just press on tab button, tab
Okay.
to indent, yes. Driver, now driver is small, driver dot.
Mm,
Now you see, now you can access necessary methods. So
right.
we use get driver dot get.
Get
Just
G.
type yeah, and get is a method. So there will be parenthesis and
Mm,
colon, semicolon.
semicolon. Sorry.
Okay, now what's wrong with get? Could you please hover over on it? Say add argument match get string. Okay, inside the method put double quotation.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Now put the URL you want to go to Google, or you can type HTTPS. You can type HTTPS.
Uh-huh. What is it? Orange HTML?
It is open source. Type open source.
Okay.
Open source.
Uh-huh.
Single word. Open source is single word.
Okay.
Then dash demo. Dash demo. Now it is pop up. Yes. Take the link. and put inside get method. Okay, now just right button click,
Uh-huh.
run as. It asking for configuration.
Mm-hmm.
Go to your project, click on your project, JUnit Framework 2.
Mm-hmm.
No. Project, yes. Go to build path. No build path. Then
Mm-hmm.
go to properties.
Yeah, remember yesterday, like all whatever you're doing, like I didn't see any of that stuff.
Okay. And no, not in Maven. Click on Java build path. Then go to add library.
But right here.
No, on the right. You see on the right, add library.
Okay.
Add library.
Mm-hmm. JUnit.
JUnit. Choose JUnit. Then finish. You can
Oh,
choose Junit 4.
finish.
Yes, finish. Click on apply. Click on apply and close. JUnit should pop up on your project. Just
Refresh.
refresh. It didn't come, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, how I can be sure JUnit is there?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it don't show up. So go to out of the setup method. Go out of the setup method. Go out of the setup method. Setup method. Setup.
We're set up.
Out of it.
Okay.
Public setup. Go down.
Down. Okay.
Yes. Out of it. Yes.
Okay.
Now type public void login test. Login test. Same name. Okay. Parenthesis. Curly braces.
Mm-hmm.
Now on top of public void login test, on top of public at the rate test, at the rate test,
Where?
on top of public keyword,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
right
At the rate.
at the rate test, T-E-S-T, and test will be capital T.
Okay.
Okay, now hover over. You see JUnit is there, though it is not showing, but it's working.
Mm, mm,
So
mm, mm,
click on add JUnit for library. No, 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 not this one.
mm.
Third one.
This one?
One, yes. Click. You see, though JUnit is not showing on your project, it's working.
Mm-hmm. Right. Okay,
Okay.
I see.
So now you can, inside public void login test, just type system.out.println. Okay. Now type system.out.println inside login test.
System that out. Oh,
Yeah,
CISO.
CISO.
Okay,
Just type
okay.
CISO, control spacebar, enter. Enter, enter.
Yeah.
And inside you can type this is login test. Okay. Now create another method.
Public void.
Yeah, public void tear down, tear down
Mm-hmm.
method. It's a method.
Sorry.
Then curly braces and just type system.out.println browser close.
Why is it one word? Okay.
And on top of public void setup, you can put at the rate before,
At.
at before, capital B, before. You see, then just import it, import, over, mouse, over, yes, import before. And
Which one is it? The
the
first one?
first one, JUnit, yes, the first one. And public void tear down, there is also another annotation. You say at the rate after. After is capital. Import it. Now this is the boilerplate or template of your test framework. Okay. Now at the rate tests suggests the test case. At the rate before is the setup method. It will uh, invoking the browser, navigate to your web application. Then whatever you want to test, you will write the test script inside at the rate test method. And after testing the feature or any functionality, you close the browser. You understand it, right? The logic? So,
Yeah, you open the browser.
yeah. Then you test login tests, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Login feature. Then you
Right.
close the browser. So this is the framework.
Right. Exactly.
Okay. Now, right button click
Where?
anywhere. Right button
Mm-hmm.
run as JUnit tests. And you see it's failed but showing you browser close and browser opens. Go to the
Yeah.
console. Yeah. Go to the console and check. Everything is there.
Well, oh, the console. Yeah, I see browser closed right here.
And
I didn't see browser
drag
open.
it to the up, little up. Only browser close.
Yeah, only browser closed.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. No problem.
Run it again.
So it shows one test runs. Are you sure?
One.
Browser close.
One
Click,
error.
click on. I know login test failed because we didn't write anything yet.
Mm-hmm.
Now, on top of driver, you have to bring the WebDriver manager. Okay. Yes.
Right here.
Press enter.
Right here.
Yes. Press enter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. On top of WebDriver, you just type WebDriver manager. WebDriver D is capital, manager M is capital. WebDriver manager, one word.
Mm-hmm.
Manager dot what driver you want to use, Chrome. Just type Chrome, then parenthesis. Actually, it will be small. Chrome will be small. That setup, dot setup.
That setup
At the no, there should be parenthesis after Chrome.
like that.
Yes. No, no, no. Parenthesis.
Okay. Oh, curly. Okay.
No,
Like
no.
curly
Parenthesis.
bracket.
Parenthesis.
Okay. Okay. Like that.
Yes. Go outside of it.
Uh huh.
Dot
Uh huh.
setup.
Set up like that.
Yes. Parenthesis.
That's kind of weird notation. So what's going on right there? So you have
Okay, this is
WebDriver.
WebDriver Manager.
Okay, class.
Manager is what? WebDriver Manager is
A class.
class. So you have to import it first.
Uh huh.
Import it over on WebDriver Manager.
Okay.
Manager is there, okay?
But now you're calling a
Now,
method within the class and then
now,
another
now,
method.
just take out everything except WebDriver Manager. Okay, take Chrome and setup. Take out Chrome and setup.
Okay.
Take out also dot.
Okay.
Now put dot.
Uh huh.
Yeah, it should show you Chrome. Then type Chrome. I don't know why WebDriver is not showing here.
Mm-hmm.
See, WebDriver is not showing. Just you have to bring back WebDriver. Just hover over on WebDriver.
Okay.
What it's saying?
Saying syntax error. Insert semicolon.
Oh, semicolon. Okay. Chrome parenthesis.
Uh huh. Semicolon.
Yes. No. No. Dot setup.
Okay.
Setup.
Mm-hmm.
This is colon.
Parentheses.
Yes. Colon. Then colon. No.
Okay.
No. After setup.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Like that.
Ah. Let me look at it. What's wrong? Can you hover over on Chrome? What is
Mm-hmm. It's just Chrome driver.
it? Says change to Chrome driver. Okay, type Chrome driver.
Okay.
Chrome driver.
I'm changing it like that.
Yes, that's fine. Chrome. We are using Chrome driver. WebDriver Manager. We are telling WebDriver Manager, set up Chrome driver.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now only Chrome driver cannot work alone. We have to set it up before we use it with WebDriver Manager class. We are telling WebDriver Manager help Chrome driver to set it up in full so that we can use the Chrome driver. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
execute it.
JUnit test.
Yes. Now, Kosher, remember, you are already working in the project. We don't set up everything again and over again. We just store it somewhere and we copy paste. 80% we copy paste and 20% we modify,
Mm-hmm.
we customize. Now it's invoking the browser. Okay, invoking the browser, and the test pass now.
Yep.
Now you see this is login test and browser closed.
Mm-hmm.
Now you know how to test it, right? Everything now okay. Now you have to test login functionality.
Yep.
For testing it, you have to go to the username
Mm-hmm.
or text area. We say username text area and
Yep.
what text area, and we have to put the username and password, then click on login button, right?
Yep.
Okay, so
I'll follow the video from yesterday, whatever you send it to me.
now you can follow it.
Okay.
Okay, and after you develop this framework, you can also create another test method. Go to go after public void login test
Uh-huh.
method. Okay, go out of it. Go
Yep.
out of it.
Oh, out. Sorry.
Okay, out of it,
Now do add
and
test
type
again.
public void. Oh, okay, at the rate tests.
Yep. Now do public void
Public
login.
void title test. Say for example, title tests.
Okay.
Test title.
Test title. Okay.
So
Good with me. Sorry.
title, then parenthesis, no
Mm-hmm.
parenthesis.
Oh,
This is a
parentheses. Oh,
test
sorry.
method.
Methods has to have parameters. You're right.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. And inside you can say now. Remember when you set up before test before now setup is a method, and inside the method you set up every test environment. Now this driver object cannot access to other test methods because it has method scope. Do you remember yesterday we discussed about method scope and class scope?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
if you want to work the driver object or driver reference variable to every method, you have to make the driver global.
Yep.
So how you can make the driver global? Copy web driver.
Right here, you define it at the
Yes,
class.
just copy web driver.
Web driver. Like here, this one.
Yes, copy it. No, only web driver.
Okay.
Copy it. You have to make it global. How you can make it global?
For the whole class.
Yeah, class scope you have to put inside class scope. Yes. Then semicolon. Now the driver has become global. Now it will work on every test method.
Okay. Okay. I
But
see.
before,
It was used only in the setup
but
method.
before, yeah, before make it effective, you have to remove the web driver from global scope. Yes. Remove the web driver. Yes.
Remove it.
Yes, remove it. No. Only web driver.
Okay.
You have to remove only web driver. Yeah.
Okay. So what do you do? Like that?
No. Just remove web driver.
Okay.
No,
Like
not
that?
driver. Only web driver.
Oh, just the word drive. Okay. Okay. I see.
Yes. Yes. Perfect. Now,
Now driver is equal to okay. Now it makes sense. That's a class. That's a new class. You know, a driver is a
yes.
class of Chrome driver. Okay.
Web driver is class, super class of Chrome driver. Web driver is the super class of Chrome driver.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Agree. Yep.
Okay. Now you can do anything. We set up all test environment. Now you can test any application using this setup. Okay, you understand it?
Yep.
Now you can say inside title you can say driver,
Uh huh.
Driver is small cap.
Yep, yep, small. Yep.
Driver dot get title.
Now, how do I know methods exist in that one?
Now, okay, just put parenthesis, semicolon. Title T will be capital.
Like that?
Ah, no, no. Yes. Okay.
Yep.
Now, in your Eclipse IDE, there might be little problem. It's not working properly because when you type driver dot get title should be pop up. You understand?
Right.
But somehow your Eclipse IDE is not working in full. Let me show my screen. Could you please?
How do I fix it?
You have to just copy it, save somewhere, then just downgrade it. Downgrade it. Take this is I think the latest version. Latest version has I think it is in testing mode, so it is not working fine still. Okay, so you can use 2000 version or 2001 version. This is 2022 version, I think. Okay, yeah, it causes problem on my computer too, so I downgraded.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me?
Yep.
Yeah, take this framework, just copy it, save in some place, then just download the uh, earlier version and it will be fixed. Let me show you. Could you please
Do you want me to give you the share?
yeah, just give me host back. Let me show you.
Okay. You have it.
Okay, let me go to my project. You see, you see my
Yep.
project. This is my title.
Mm-hmm.
So I just say driver. Can you see my screen?
Yep, yep.
Dot. You see, I can see all the methods.
Exactly. I'm not seeing none of that.
Yeah, because your Eclipse is not working fine, uh, partially working. You see, get title is here. I can
Yep.
choose whatever method I need. I can choose. You see,
Yep.
then I can save this driver dot title inside a string. I can say string. This is actual title. Okay,
Uh-huh.
and I can now say inside actual title I can print it and see it now. Actual title, if I print it I can see the actual title. Okay, two pass, one skipped.
Yep.
In actual title I can see it. You see, title is orange HRM. I can say the title is Actually, JUnit is the base framework. If you understand JUnit, you can do any framework. You can now on based on it you can learn now TestNG.
Mm-hmm.
TestNG you can learn um, TDD. No, BDD. TestNG is TDD. Okay. Now I can even go for assertion. I can say assert
Mm-hmm.
dot assert assert equals. Where is equals? I can choose assert equals assert assert equal. Can you see it? I can type assert equal boolean actual boolean expected.
Mm-hmm.
Another one is actual boolean expected. Another one is assert equals boolean expected. Assert equals actual expected. SR equals actual. I can choose anyone. Actual is orange HRM, and expected is this is actual.
Mm-hmm.
Expected is this, and actual is actual title. Actual title, and expected is orange HRM,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yep.
What's wrong? Mismatch cannot convert void boolean. This is mismatch. Let me check it. Orange HRM is, now let me check again. Assert dot assert equals character expected. Okay, I think this one. Actual is actual title, and this is expected HRM.
What's the difference between the upper one and the yeah?
Uh, I think I have to import assert equals. I import it. I don't need this to. should be working now. Actual title. What's wrong? Yes, sir, equals. Mm-hmm. Same case. Multiple markers, this syntax error token. Definitely I should have a comma here, right?
Yeah, I mean, we can research it. Yeah, it's not a big deal.
Let me run it and see what's going on. Yeah, session failed. Okay, this is, if I say this is true, it should be also true, or it will fail. Still it is not taking. Okay, let me check. Add static import assertion equals, add static assertion equals, add static. Okay, let me check again. No, it's not working anyway. Let us do a little bit research.
Yeah, it looked like it execute. I mean, yeah,
Yeah, something wrong.
it's weird. Yeah,
It should work. Assert equals boolean by, we are not using by, actual expected and actual. Expected is orange hrm, and expected is actual. This actual title. Now still it is not taking. Okay, mismatch cannot convert. Okay, I'll check it.
yep,
Now, what you can do, you can practice up to here
right,
from last video,
yep,
and even if you face any problem in one test case, just you can ignore it for
right,
the time being. Okay,
yep.
that's all about JUnit. Just you have to remember before,
Yeah.
the rate before annotation, at the rate after annotation, at the rate test annotation, and rate ignore. We have only this four annotations in JUnit.
Mm-hmm.
But in TestNG we have more than, I think, 15 or 20 annotations.
Got it.
We have like you can directly convert it into TestNG. Just go to your project, right button click, okay, then go to properties and go to TestNG. Not here, I come to the wrong place, I think. You see TestNG XML file is here. So what
Right.
we create already is not, we are not using TestNG, sorry. Let me take out TestNG. It's conflicting.
Mm-hmm.
Click build path, I remove TestNG, okay, and I just refresh it. So I can just right button click, go to TestNG, okay, convert into TestNG. So to convert TestNG, I need actually TestNG, uh, TestNG build path. Go to build path. Where is build path? Build path is here. For you, no build path. So go here. Go to properties. Then go to build path. I don't see TestNG here.
Right.
So you can go to add library. TestNG is here. Add it. Then click on finish and apply. Apply and close. TestNG come back.
Yeah. Yeah. See how it added it? Yeah.
Here. Now right button click. Go to TestNG.
Mm.
What to TestNG.
Mm.
You don't want to rewrite these test cases. Just go to convert TestNG. Generate TestNG XML. Now it didn't show me because I have TestNG XML file here. Let me just delete it first. I delete it. Now I don't have TestNG XML file, so I go to the project again, then go to TestNG, convert TestNG. Now you see this is JUnit test login, but at the same time TestNG framework TestNG tutorial. It's converting to TestNG.
Mm-hmm.
Next,
Oh, here's the before and after.
now you see JUnit has only after, before, ignore, test this.
Mm-hmm.
TestNG has more features. You see, no more before only. Now we have before method.
Uh-huh.
Now we have not only, you see, here is ignore, but
Yeah.
TestNG is enable equal to false, meaning ignore.
Is not. No, do not test. Skip that test
Yes,
case.
skip. So I said, do you want to enable this test? I say false, mean no,
Okay.
no running. Okay, and you see, ignore, again false. If I say enable true, it will again running, or
Mm-hmm.
take it out, by default it is enabled. And after is now after method. Okay, now if I just click finish, now TestNG XML file has been created.
Mm-hmm.
Now even you can run it from here.
Right.
Now you see test engine, no more JUnit.
Exactly. How you doing, calculator?
Calculator on Google. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I have a project on calculator on Google, so it's also running. Okay. Now, all right. Thank you so much. I will send you this video tutorial so that you can look at it. All right. Thank you. All test engine frameworks are running because we didn't specify which test should be running. You know. Even Salesforce application is running. Okay. All right. Now, actually, I have JUnit test here. So what I can do, I can choose specific JUnit test framework. I can say, uh, sorry, my computer is dancing. Oh my goodness. Let me try to fix it. Okay, maybe go to task manager. I have to delete temp file.